Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Gizmo Snap End Strain Pot and Pasta Strainer, adjustable silicone clip-on strainer for pots, pans, and bowls, kitchen gadgets, noodle, food, gifts for women, green. This is the original Snap End Strain, designed and manufactured by Kitchen Gizmo. Our clip-on strainer for pots uses a fine mesh strainer that is easy to use and makes it a unique kitchen gadgets and accessory, cooking gifts for women. Universal Design Pot Strainer. This specially designed clips easily snap onto round pots, pans, and bowls of all sizes, including lipped bowls. Save time by straining while the food stays in the pot. Space saving. This small, compact strainer is easy to use and store in a quarter the size of the traditional colander or sieve. This strainer for cooking is great when working with limited counter space. The perfect kitchen gifts as cooking gadgets for women and men. Gift of convenience. This adjustable silicone clip-on strainer is a cool and practical cooking gift for women, making straining a breeze while keeping food in the pot. Elegantly practical. Make a statement in the kitchen with the original Snap End Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. Thanks for watching and subscribe.